My name is Bhamika Bajaj, and I have some questions for you on behalf of the defense.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you just testified that you got the opportunity to go through Jesse's cell phone.
Yes,
You took screenshots of text messages on his cell phone on the day of the incident.
that is correct.
Would you recognize a copy of it if shown to you in court today?
Sure.
Permission to approach opposing counsel and the witness in turn with what has previously been marked as Plaintiff 6, I believe. Permission to tender a copy to the bench? Officer Williams, you would agree with me that you were able to confirm that these text messages were sent between Jesse Duran and Hayden Duran?
Yes, like I said before, Voldemort was confirmed to be Hayden Duran's contact information in Jesse's phone.
And the first message that Hayden Duran sent to Jesse Duran...
Your Honor, point of order, I just asked that I be able to see the witness.
Please continue, Counsel. You can begin from the beginning of the question if you'd like.
Yes, Your Honor. The first text message sent by Jesse Duran to Hayden Duran was, "I mean it, Jesse. Guns aren't toys, and you need to stay away from them."
That is correct. You read that correctly.
And the second message that Hayden Duran sent to Jesse Duran was, "I just want to make sure no one gets hurt."
Again, you did read that correctly, yes.
Permission to approach and retrieve.
You may.
Permission to publish a copy to the jury.
You may.
Officer Williams, you also got a chance to speak with Miss Andy Park, correct?
Briefly,
And she told you that they owned the gun?
yes, she confirmed that the gun that I found in the Park's living room was a gun owned by her and her husband.
She also told you that this gun was stored in a safe.
Yes, she said it was a Gallucci safe that she kept in her bedroom.
Yes, and exactly, the safe was stored in the bedroom.
Yes.
And the combination to the safe was stored in a filing cabinet.
I found out that the Parks kept the combination to the safe stored separate from their gun in the guest bedroom in a file cabinet that they had.
Officer Williams, just to be clear, that's yes to my question, that the combination was stored in the safe? Excuse me, in the filing cabinet?
Yes, it was away from where the gun was stored in a separate room.
And Miss Park also told you that she believed that Sydney was a bright kid and knew where all the important documents were kept.
She did say that. She didn't name any documents specifically, but she did make that statement.
But despite that, she didn't move the location of the combination, did she?
To my knowledge, I don't really know. That day she did not move anything. Whether she moved anything after or before, I'm not aware.
Officer Williams, so to the best of your knowledge, Miss Park did not take any action to move the location of the combination from her filing cabinet.
Objection, Your Honor, lack of personal knowledge. Witness just said that he doesn't know what Andy Park did before that day, and she's asking him to speculate what might have happened when he was not there.
Your Honor, may I clarify? I was just asking this witness to clarify, as he gave a slightly long answer. He can respond yes, no, or I don't know. My question was phrased to the best of your knowledge. You do not know. I'm not asking him to testify as to whether this did happen or didn't happen, so there is no speculation.
He just told her that he didn't know.
I'm going to go ahead and sustain the objection. Please move on, Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. Miss Park also told you that Sydney asked about the gun.
She told me that Sydney was aware of the gun that they kept in their home, yes.
Exactly. And she also said that Sydney was aware that this gun was stored in the bedroom.
Again, she had a conversation about the gun with Sydney and where it was located, yes.
Is that a yes to my question? That Sydney also indicated she knew that the gun was in the bedroom.
Like I said, yes.
And despite this, you do not know, you do not have any evidence to indicate that Miss Park changed the location of the gun.
Again, the safe was in their bedroom on August 18th. I don't know where it was before or after that.
And Sydney asked about the gun on August 17th.
To my knowledge, I believe she did, yes.
And this was one day before the incident.
Unfortunately, yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions at this time.
Thank you, counsel.